What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Cooler, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now honestly, YouTube, this video should have been out, man. I'm talking about I planned this video like last week. I was supposed to have the video up, you know what I'm saying, all kind of little reels, unbox, everything up for this video before the release date. But due to shipping delays and other issues, I couldn't get the shoe in hand to make this video until today. But hey, it's all cool because we here now, you know what I'm saying? I'm here, I'm in the studio, I got the video going, got the video rolling. So I can get y'all, you know, my personal look on one of my favorite sneakers of the year. You know what I'm saying? I know the year's still early, but this is one of them shoes that might be contender for sneaker of the year. And without further ado, that sneaker I'm talking about is the Nike Jordan 4 SB.
Hey, that nigga Carol made this.
Alright, man. Now the box itself is so beautiful, man. Like this cream off-white with the gray Jumpman and the gray Flight right here, man. They did their thing, man. It's like this glossy cream color around the whole upper of the box, around the whole entire box. It's not even just the upper. The whole entire box got this cream glossy like look to it. You got your Nike SB and Jumpman branding on the side of the box as well. On the other side, right here. Let me get y'all a little focus right there, along with the size tag. Y'all can see that right there. So this is my size, my true size 11. So you know how I do. You know I gotta get my true size. You know it's my personal pair. And the size tag does read Air Jordan 4 Retro SP, Sail White Pine Green. So the size tag says Retro SP. It doesn't say SB on the size tag. It does say SP, which stands for Special Project. If y'all didn't know that. So I wonder why they didn't put SB on here. I guess because they put it on the box and everywhere else. But enough about that, man. Let's get into this box, man. Now, this shoe, man, a beautiful sneaker, man. I'm talking about top tier quality, man. Like when I finally, you know, opened these up early and got them in hand and just like really just felt the material on these joints, man. Like the shape of, number one, the shape. This shape, this Jordan 4, like this slope they got going on, like this OG Jordan 4 shape. That's what really drew me to these sneakers, man. Like, of course I love 4s. 4s is my favorite silhouette. But just to see this OG, I've never, like me personally, I've never owned a pair of Jordan 4s with like the natural, you know what I'm saying, the OG shape. You know, I've always wanted a pair with this kind of like, this slope right here, but I never, you know, most Jordan 4s come with like a, you know, let me get these slidings right here. You see how the difference, you know, of course they got a little wear and tear on it, but you see the difference in shape on the lightness compared to the, you know what I'm saying, the SBs. Like it's a big difference. But overall, man, this sneaker, hands down, one of my favorite releases so far this year, man. Like the materials, the soft leather. This leather is like, I didn't even expect the leather to be this soft. I knew it was gonna be like a soft feel to it, but this is a nice grade of leather on this sneaker, in my personal opinion. I don't know if y'all can really see like on the camera like how I'm feeling it, but like these joints is really soft in my opinion. You got the back pull tab is also different. So you know, a regular Jordan is like a plastic kind of pull tab, depending on the material they use for it. This is like an all rubber, like real loose kind of pull tab right here, man. I think that's because, you know, since it is a, you know, a Nike SB, which y'all see that right there, Nike SB sneaker. When you skateboard, you don't want this cutting into the back of your ankle. So you know, so they made it, you know, rubbery, so that way you can, there's more flexibility. You know, it moves around. So when you doing like your little kick flips, you know what I'm saying, you grinding on the rails, all that good stuff I don't know how to do. I ain't no skater, so I couldn't tell you, know, the name of most of these tricks. I did play Tony Hawk a lot growing up and them skate games, so I know a little something about skating, but I ain't no skateboarder. But overall, man, this sneaker, you know, the materials, the details, the colorway, like everything about so pretty much all the parts that you see, like this is all rubber. Like the wings, you got the rubber wings right here. It's not your typical plastic hard wings, they're rubber wings. So it's like I said, more flexibility, more movement in the sneaker, more padding around the sock liner right here. So it's like a more comfortable fit around the ankle as well. The tongue is like a little bit puffier. It's not like your typical, like what you call it, like a Dunk SB, but it is like a little bit more padding, I guess you could say, more softer than your typical Jordan 4 tongue. Overall, the colorway, top tier. Beautiful colorway, beautiful look to it, you know what I'm saying? Like this all white sail kind of colorway right here with your pine green accents around like the wings and like the outer part right here, you know, over here on the, it's just this color, man, it's a beautiful color. You got your gum bottom right here, right, little gum part with the white, and you got the red Nike on the sole as well, which is a nice little touch to the shoe in my personal opinion. So the sneaker itself does not come with extra laces, but I mean, honestly, truly, this white is really all you need. Now, me personally, I think a nice little pair of like cream or like some sail laces would look amazing in this sneaker, but the white is still, you know, it's still a nice little touch to it. You know, I'd probably keep the white in for a while until I maybe, you know, decide to do like a little lace swap with some cream or sail laces or whatever like that. But overall, man, beautiful sneaker. One of my favorites so far this year that I've seen released. You know, a lot of sneakers have released this year. Like the Reimagined 3s is another sneaker that I'm a big fan of. But these 4s, man, I don't know because I love 4s, but these junks, they different, man. I didn't even realize on the on the insole, you got like the Nike SB branding as well on the insole. Yeah, I can get a good look at that. You see that Nike SB branding is like a red insole with like the Nike SB in white. So that's another little dope touch to this sneaker, man. So I haven't tried these on yet, but I have heard that like since it has like this padding on it, it's best to go true to size because it's like a tighter fit around like the ankle area. You know, most people always say 4's already an uncomfortable shoe to begin with, so I would advise you to go true to size with this sneaker. Don't try to go half a size down, maybe half a size up, but me personally, I always go, when it comes to Jordan 4s, I typically try to go my true size on them just because how like they fit to begin with. You know, it is a bulkier, heavy shoe, you know what I'm saying? Even though it has more material, I don't really feel a difference in weight between the SB and like, you know, a regular Jordan 4. So it's still like it's still a Jordan 4. You know, it's the, like I said, it's still a Jordan 4, so it's gonna be like had a Jordan 4 fit to it, but it just has that extra padding around the sock liner right there. But overall, man, once again, a beautiful sneaker. Colorway, the hints of red in the sneaker, the pine green, the sail colorway, the gray on the toe box right here, this gray suede. Like this one of them ones, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Not many sneakers get that one of them ones passes, but this one of them ones. Like a pair that's gonna get a lot of wears out of me. One of my favorites. I love this green colorway. Green is like one of my favorite colors, if not my favorite color up there. So I'm sold. You know what I'm saying? I had to pay retail for these because I wanted to get this video out for y'all. I wanted to get it out earlier than today, but it is what it is. Sometimes you can't always get what you want when it comes to sneakers, man. But hey, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? If y'all hit on sneakers, let me know if y'all was able to hit. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below how y'all feel about this colorway. If y'all think this is one of the better Jordan 4 colorways that we got this year, or do you think it's more colorways of Jordan 4s that came out? You know, don't really remember how many 4s came out this year so far. Hey, now I'm confused about how many. I don't even think so many 4s came out so far this year, but let me know if y'all think this might be the best colorway or the best Jordan 4 that's gonna release this year, or y'all think it might be some better shoes coming out later on this year. But overall, man, like I said, beautiful sneaker. One of my favorites, if not my favorite sneaker so far this year. And as always, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning into my videos. Y'all getting my views up, my subscribers up, y'all turning my channel up, man. And I appreciate y'all for that because without y'all, I wouldn't have no videos, man. I'd be making videos for myself. And y'all keep me motivated, y'all keep me going, y'all keep pushing, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, man. So as always, man, remember to like, share, subscribe, man. Smash that like button, smash that share button, smash that subscribe button, man. Turn the notification bell on, tell a friend to tell a friend. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.